How y'all doing? I just got this new product, OmniShaver, and I was amazed at how fast it works. So I'd like to give you a little demonstration. I got my head all prepped, and here we go. You just work it. It's got bi-directional blades, so you can just work it back and forth. It's really smooth. You don't have to rinse it till you're all done. This is about 3 days of growth. They say if you keep it clean and dry, it'll last for quite some time. This is about my 4th shave with it, and it's taking the hair right off. You might have to rinse it out once. If you have quite a bit of hair, but it's still way faster than any of the other razors I've found out there. My hair grows awfully fast too, so in 3 days everything feels pretty smooth. You can take a regular razor and hit any low spots or around your ears, but it gets about 99% of it. And we're all done. OmniShaver, it's the fastest one out there. Thanks for watching.